Alright guys, so I'm in here right now at the Yokohama dealer getting two new tires put on, and one of the tires put on the spare because the spare is shot. I did some shopping around. Actually, this is the best price I found. I'll put the price up and everything that was included in the price, but yeah, getting two new tires. I didn't expect this today. I did know I needed some new tires, at least two. But I didn't actually want to do it today, but if I don't do it today, when am I going to do it? So yeah, they're in there right now putting two new tires on. Yeah, see here you just kind of drive around and you look for places. There's you'll see tire shops, you see a bunch of tires outside, that way you know, okay, they change tires. Some places like this, you know, they specialize in Yokohama, they come with a warranty and everything. Other places you might take a chance and they might be okay. But these guys, they deal with, you know, specifically the Yokohama tire. There's no Pep Boys here. There's no Walmarts. There's no AutoZones. Everything is just pretty much little shops here, and you know the way it was back in the day before these big companies came back in the States. Little mom and pop shops. But like I said, I found this place, and I've gotten, well, they gave me the best deal on tires. And Yokohama Tire itself has a big manufacturing company here up on Clark, so you know they're made right here, and they're going to come with a decent warranty. You have to watch when you go into some of these shops. They might get, you know, seconds tires, and you know you might have a problem with them down the road. But you go to a place that's an authorized dealer, you know you're going to get a good quality tire. Something that's not a second-hand tire, or something that might be, you know, a tire with a defect in it. But yeah, there it is. It's getting done. All right, guys, what he's doing right now, he's taking the good tires from the older tires from the front, and he's going to rotate them to the back, and then the newer tires, once he puts them on the rims, he's going to turn around and put those in the front. So you'll have the two new tires in the front, and then you have the two older tires in the rear. From what he's telling me, the tires from the front that he put to the rear, the two good ones, they're actually in very good shape. Won't have to replace those for a while. So yep, that's what he's doing now. See, right now he's getting ready to break the seal on the tire. Alright guys, he's getting ready to pull the tire off of the rim. I know this might be not interesting to some, and some it might be interesting to. But yeah, step by step here. New valve stem in there. For those that don't know what a valve stem is, that's what you hook your ear hose up to fill up your tire. Yeah, it's your valve stem. Now it's time to put the tire on the rim. Alright guys, what he's getting ready to do, he's getting ready to what's called spin and balance these tires. When they spin it, it lets them know where the balance is off, and then they'll put the weights on it to even out the tire so you're not driving down the road wobbling around. But yeah, that's what he's doing right now. Alright guys, the only thing left to do now is put the tires on and we're good to go. Alright guys, I think we're going to wrap this video up. I don't want to bore you with any more car tech stuff. But anyways, remember guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, thumbs down. The choice is always yours. Feel free to leave comments and I'll get back to you. But alright guys, we'll talk to you later.